Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If your iPhone speaker sound is basically too low, how to fix it? In this video I will tell you. Solution number 1. Go to settings. Scroll down and click on accessibility. Next scroll down and click on hearing devices. Turn off hearing aid compatibility. Solution number 2. Go to settings. Scroll down and click on accessibility. Click on touch. Next scroll down and click on call audio routing. Here select automatic. Solution number 3. Go to settings. Scroll down and click on general. Next scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Enter iPhone passcode. Again click on reset all settings to confirm this process. If these settings does not solve the problem, clean the bottom speaker and the top speaker. I hope this solves the problem. Thanks for watching.